you ever wondered how these huge metal ships carrying tons of materials and these huge cruise liners carrying so many people easily sail on the sea, but a small coin made of metal sinks in water? What is this magic? Well, it's not magic, it's the art of science. Hey guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. Today, we are going to solve this ship mystery with some clay. Well, some things float and some sink depending on the density of the object and the liquid. To know more about the concepts of density and buoyancy, do check out our explainer videos that I'll link up here and in the description box as well. Well, this lump of clay sinks. But what if we shape it into a boat? Maybe this has something to do with the whole ship mystery. Comment down your creative ideas on how this works and let's discuss. It floats! Can anyone tell me why?